Now, as you might remember, a scale is a group of notes that sound good together. Another important thing to understand is that an ascending or descending scale simply is a straight alphabet from one letter to another, like this. Playing the scales like that doesn't sound very exciting, and if you just randomly improvise the notes in the shape, you're likely to sound like this. It might not sound wrong, but it doesn't sound good either. So to make it sound good, you need to memorize a few licks based on the shape. By playing licks, you start formulating understandable words from the musical alphabet. For example, like this. Or like this. Improvising is not about playing random notes. It's about combining licks and melodies that you've memorized and that you know sound good. So once you've memorized a few licks, you can start improvising by putting them together like this guy.